It takes just a few minutes to test your hearing in the privacy of your home or office. We care about your ears, so we want to take a pre-test here. Rub your hands together in front of your face. If you have trouble hearing the sound of your hands rubbing together, we recommend you seek a professional evaluation from an audiologist or physician. If you can hear the sound of your hands rubbing together, let's move forward. To take the test, you'll need a computer, smartphone or tablet, earbuds or headphones, and a quiet place. Avoid being outside or in a high-traffic area. Make sure that you are in an area that is quiet and without distraction. You want a very quiet place. Okay, so you found your place. Turn your computer volume to full on or 100%. Insert your earbuds to get a good seal or place your headphones over your ears. Once that is done, we can start the hearing test. You'll take the hearing test one ear at a time. It's always best to test your better ear first. If you can't tell which is your better ear, start with the ear that you talk on the phone. To begin, locate the Test Left Ear, Test Right Ear buttons at the top of the listening chart and click on the button for the ear you will be starting with. Begin the test by clicking the blue arrow in the top left column of the listening chart and listen for a tiny tone. If you don't hear a tone, click on the arrow below it. Continue clicking down until you hear a tone. Once you hear that tiny tone, stop and go back to the arrow just above and click on it. This is to make sure you didn't miss hearing that tone. Now that you know what it should sound like, if you do hear a tiny tone now, stop. You are done with that row. Go to the top of the second column and repeat what you did in the first column. Move your cursor to the top of the next column and start again until you have completed all 6 columns. When complete, click on the Save Print Bookmark button located below the audiogram. Congratulations! You have completed the hearing test for one ear. Now, let's test the other ear. At the very bottom of the page, click on Back to My Account. When you return back to the hearing test section, click on the appropriate button for the ear you haven't tested yet. Repeat the listening chart process, starting with the top left column, clicking down each column. Once you have navigated through all 6 columns, your audiogram is complete. Don't forget to click on the Save Print Bookmark button to be certain your results are accurate. Please repeat the test again for both ears to ensure your results are consistent, saving all 4 audiograms. Your tests will be saved to your account in the order of the tests taken. Your personal hearing test results will appear on the chart called an audiogram below the listening chart. The audiogram displays the sounds you can hear across different frequencies. Thank you for watching this video. You're now ready to proceed to take the hearing test. If you find you do have a hearing loss, we have a number of excellent hearing aids for sale on this website under the Hearing Aids section. In just a few minutes, you will have the results.